Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys and gals, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming at you with another unboxing. Now, the title, of course, states the dw5600, and you're probably asking why. If you already have a dw5600, are you unboxing another? Well, for one, I know you guys like to see unboxings. Quick wristwatch check, because I am unboxing the G-Shock Square. I am indeed wearing my all metal G-Shock Square. I do still have the my old dw5600. It's in the watch box right now, guys. But I am unboxing this for you guys, and this is just a thank you for 1,000 subscribers, guys. I just wanted to give you guys back something, a little something. Now, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do the contest. I may do it in this video, or I may post up in another video. Like I said, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing, show you guys what you're going to get, and I do want to keep this, of course, sorry to my non-US viewers, but in the US, just because of course, shipping costs and all that. Sorry, guys, maybe once the channel, if the channel gets a little bit bigger, I'll be able to do, you know, the logistics of shipping out of sea or overseas. This, you know how that goes, guys. And then to our brothers in the north in Canada, you guys will probably be eligible for this as well, because shipping's not too bad over there either. But like I said, this is just a little thank you to you guys. I will do another video, a follow-up video on this. Just stay tuned for the channel, and I will let you know when I am in fact doing this giveaway. And for today's unboxing, I have the little spider code knife. Of course, the address is off to the side there. I don't want to show you guys my address there, but the usual Casio fanfare. Nothing too fancy on the box here, guys. Little G-Shock. And as you know, as the title states, I did indeed get the dw5600. Again, this is brand new, guys. Never even been worn. But like I said, just stay tuned for a full giveaway on this. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it yet, but I'll probably do like a randomizer or something like that. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down there below. You know, make a comment, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because I do come out with content regularly, guys. This was just a quick little unboxing of the dw5600, because I know you guys like to see it. And like I said, stay tuned for the giveaway. This is just a little thank you for 1,000 subscribers, guys. Just want to give something a little back to you guys. I appreciate all you guys that have been loyal, following me the whole time. And all those new subscribers, I thank you guys. But again, this has been Chris with a quick little unboxing. And I will see you next one. Peace.